Palestine condemns Moldova move on Jerusalem. Israel army deliberately targets homes in Gaza. NGO. Saudi-led coalition confirms Houthi attack on airport. Egypt, Jordan and Morocco to join US Mid-East peace meeting. UN Security Council condemns violence in Sudan. Somalia, AFRICOM affirms US support against Al-Shabaab. Cameroon, death toll from Boko Haram attack rises to 37. Turkey expresses concern over mosque attacks in Europe. US Muslim woman investigates own Islamophobic assault. Pakistan, Khan government unveils its first budget. Modi won't use Pakistan's airspace for ESCO summit. India favors Israel against Palestinian group at UN.